mix for the grow stackers is not really a soil like in the ground like you would think. I've had a lot of success mixing, maybe a third of some kind of compost, a third of some kind of loose material. Could be sand, it could be coconut coir, that's my favorite, or peat moss, or volcanic rock, pumice, vermiculite, perlite, something to lighten that. So what the idea here is to have a fast delivery of nutrients. So we want a very porous mix that's high in nutrition. So as the plants get water from the top, they drain down into the pots further and further down. So I found that the plants growing near the top definitely do better. And I have these set up to their self-water, and I've put these watering devices, because I have 7 of them high, I have another one of these that sprinkles it out part of the way down, so that these pots on the lower part get as much nutrition as the ones that come from the top. So these are really fun to grow in. Again, I use a combination of some kind of a compost, something light, and then it could be garden soil. Because they are up, I do like to ground them, and then I like to have some living matter in them. Coconut coir is really good because it will continually break down. I do put worms and worm compost and different live elements in here to keep that live element like it would be in the earth. So these are really fun way to grow in addition or alone, just because you can grow so much in a small footprint. If I have 4 spaces all the way around and there's 7 of them, there's 28 growing spaces. Now I found that sometimes the lighting, the back ones won't grow as well, and you might have to move or rotate them, or you might grow more things on the front. You might stack more like I did, so I can grow more things front facing and less on the back side. So they're really fun, and just another great way to garden.